Big towers eating up your desk space are a thing of the past. In 2026, mini PCs deliver real desktop performance, productivity, creative work, even serious gaming in a footprint smaller than a hardcover book. I tested 5 of the best so you know exactly which one fits your needs. Let's get into it. The Apple Mac Mini with M4 is arguably the most impressive desktop computer at its price point in 2026. The size-to-performance ratio is genuinely staggering. Apple's M4 chip delivers CPU and GPU performance that embarrasses comparably priced Windows desktops while sipping power at a fraction of the wattage. The Mac Mini's footprint is smaller than most hardcover books, yet it handles 4K and 8K video editing, music production, and development workloads without hesitation. The unified memory architecture means 16 gigabytes performs closer to 32 gigabytes in traditional systems, a meaningful real-world advantage for multitasking. Connectivity is excellent. 3 Thunderbolt, 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, 2.1, an SD card slot, and a front-facing USB-C port for easy access. macOS Sequoia runs flawlessly and integrates seamlessly with iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. For creatives, developers, and professionals who want elite performance in a near-invisible footprint, the Mac Mini M4 is the most exciting desktop value of 2026. The Mac Mini M4 changes your expectations of what a small machine can do, and the price in the description is genuinely competitive. Check the link below and lock it in. This one's a no-brainer for Apple ecosystem users. The Beelink SER5 Max is the Windows Mini PC that proves you don't need to spend Mac Mini money to get a genuinely capable, everyday machine. Powered by an AMD Ryzen processor with integrated Radeon graphics, the SER5 Max handles productivity, web browsing, video calls, and light creative work with confident, consistent performance. Generous RAM and fast NVMe SSD storage as standard mean this isn't a stripped-down budget box. It's a complete, ready-to-use desktop replacement. The compact aluminum chassis dissipates heat passively and quietly, and dual HDMI plus USB-C display outputs support triple monitor productivity setups that larger desktops often struggle to match this cheaply. Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit Ethernet cover every connectivity need, and Windows 11 comes pre-installed and activated. Beelink's reputation for honest specs and reliable build quality continues here. Every component feels purposeful rather than corner-cut. For home offices, students, and anyone wanting a genuinely capable Windows desktop without the Mac Mini price tag, the SER5 Max delivers outstanding everyday value. The Beelink SER5 Max is the Windows Mini PC that punches way above its price, and the deal in the description proves it. Check the link below and grab it today. Real desktop performance, genuinely small price. The Beelink SER5 Pro steps up from the Max with a faster Ryzen processor and more headroom for demanding multitasking. And for users who push their mini PC harder, that upgrade is genuinely noticeable. The SER5 Pro handles heavier productivity workloads, multiple browser tabs alongside Office applications, and even light video editing, with noticeably more comfort than entry-level mini PCs in this category. Dual-channel memory configuration maximizes the efficiency of the processor architecture, and the larger NVMe SSD in configuration keeps storage anxiety off the table for most users. Triple display output support via dual HDMI and USB-C makes this a serious multi-monitor productivity machine. The fanless adjacent cooling design keeps noise to a minimum even under sustained load, and the compact chassis remains small enough to mount behind a monitor with the included VESA bracket. Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit Ethernet deliver reliable connectivity, and Windows 11 Pro on select configurations adds enterprise features. For power users who want more performance headroom than entry-level Windows Mini PCs offer, the SER5 Pro is the smart step-up. The Beelink SER5 Pro gives serious users more horsepower without the bulk, and the price in the description reflects strong value for the upgrade. Check the link below and grab it today. More power, same small footprint. The Asus ROG GR70 brings genuine gaming performance into a mini PC form factor. And for gamers who want a compact desktop without sacrificing frame rates, Asus's ROG engineering delivers exactly that. Built around a capable processor paired with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GPU, the GR70 handles Nvidia's modern AAA titles at solid settings, a genuine rarity in this size category. Asus's thermal design uses dual fans and multiple heat pipes to sustain gaming performance under extended load without the throttling that plagues smaller gaming boxes. The compact chassis features ROG's signature aesthetic with customizable RGB lighting, and the port selection covers HDMI, DisplayPort, and multiple USB connections for a full gaming and streaming setup. Wi-Fi 6E delivers low-latency wireless connectivity for online gaming, and the upgradable RAM and storage mean this machine grows with your needs. For gamers with limited desk space who refuse to compromise on a tower-free setup, the ROG GR70 is the most capable gaming mini PC on this list. The ROG GR70 brings real gaming power into a footprint that fits anywhere, and the price in the description makes that combination genuinely compelling. Check the link below and grab it today. Gaming power, zero desk clutter. Closing out the list with the ROG NUC, Asus's collaboration continuing Intel's legendary NUC lineage with ROG's gaming engineering layered on top. This is one of the most premium mini gaming PCs available, pairing a high-performance processor with a discrete NVIDIA GPU configuration that handles serious gaming workloads in a chassis barely larger than a paperback book. Asus's vapor chamber cooling technology manages thermals impressively for the size, sustaining performance through extended gaming sessions without significant throttling. The build quality reflects ROG's premium positioning. Solid materials, refined RGB lighting, and a port selection that covers Thunderbolt, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB connections for a complete gaming and creator setup. Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5G Ethernet ensure connectivity never bottlenecks performance. Upgradable RAM and dual NVMe slots give genuine longevity beyond the initial purchase. For gamers and creators who want the most premium, most engineered mini gaming PC available, with the NUC pedigree and ROG performance combined, this is the most ambitious pick on this entire list. The ROG NUC is premium mini gaming engineering at its finest, and the price in the description reflects that flagship positioning. Check the link below and grab it today. The smallest serious gaming PC you'll ever own. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right mini PC for your setup, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because mini PC deals move fast. If this helped you find the right machine, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.